Your Gmail account could be open on an old device, or a strange app could have permission to access your account while you think everything is fine. And the more dangerous part is that sometimes the problem is not the password itself. The problem could be something you approved a long time ago and forgot about. That's why today, we're going to do a quick security checkup for your Google account from the official page. Open your browser and type this link yourself, myaccount.google.com/security-checkup. Be careful. Type it manually in the browser, and don't open it from any link sent to you in a message or email, so you can avoid fake links. After the page opens, you'll find it called Security Checkup. If you see blue marks or security tips, that doesn't mean your account has been hacked. It means Google sees that there are things that need to be reviewed. Let's start with the first option, your devices. Open it from the arrow. Here, you'll see all the devices that are signed in to your account. Review the list calmly. If you find an old phone, a computer you don't use, a device you sold, or a device you don't recognize at all, open it and choose Sign Out. Why is this step important? Because any device that is still signed into your account may still be able to access Gmail, YouTube, Google Photos, and other things connected to your account. The second option, Sign In and Recovery. Open it and review your account recovery information. If you see Confirm your recovery email, confirm your recovery email, and make sure your phone number and recovery email are correct and still accessible to you. This is one of the most important steps, because if you forget your password or there's a strange sign-in attempt, Google will use this information to help you recover your account. And if you find that two-step verification is not turned on, turn it on, because two-step verification adds a very important layer of protection. Even if someone knows the password, they won't be able to sign in easily unless they pass the second confirmation step. The third option, safe browsing. If you see Turn on Enhanced Safe Browsing, open it and read the option carefully. This feature gives you stronger protection against dangerous links, fake websites, suspicious downloads, and some phishing attempts. But it's important to know that it uses more security information to provide stronger protection. So if you're someone who deals with a lot of links, downloads, strange emails, or you're worried about fake pages, turning it on can be very useful. But if your main priority is reducing data sharing, understand the option before turning it on. The fourth option, recent security activity. Open it and review the latest security activity on the account. Look at sign-ins, password changes, or any security alert. If everything has a check mark, that's fine. But if you find activity from an unknown device or location, don't ignore it. Choose that the activity wasn't you, then change your password immediately and review the devices connected to your account. The fifth option, your linked apps. And this is an option many people forget. Open it and review the apps and websites that have permission to access your Google account. You might find an old app, a game, a website, a browser extension, or a service you used once, and it still has access to the account. If the app is not important, you don't remember it, or you don't trust it, choose Remove Access. The rule is simple. Any app you don't use has no reason to stay connected to your account. And at the end, don't do this checkup once and forget about it. Every now and then, open Security Checkup and review the same 5 things: devices, recovery information, safe browsing, security activity, and linked apps. Because account protection is not one button you press, and that's it. It's a simple review that can prevent a big problem. And if this video helped you, hit like so it can reach more people. And subscribe to the channel, because the upcoming videos will be about hidden Gmail and Google settings that you might have left turned on without knowing. And write the word checkup in the comments if you want me to make a practical step-by-step video on the phone, from the first page to the last page.